Hello again, thanks for being with us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady. When destruction to your home or your business weighs heavy on your heart, you need restoration specialists you can trust, and that's why many people trust Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning. And today our good friend Mary Palermo is with us on Spotlight Carolina. Always good to have you, Mary.
Thank you so much.
First of all, it's getting colder outside. There are a lot of services and things that people call you for when the weather gets cold and winter gets here. Tell us more about that.
Yep, so when the winter hits and the colder weather hits, most of the time it's the pipes will freeze and bust.
Yep.
We don't want that to happen for people. And then of course the holidays as well. You've got, if you've got a tree, a Christmas tree that's natural, that could dry out. We don't want those issues. Candles. So I just want people to be aware. The holidays are coming, be cautious of that. And the cold weather, make sure your pipes are protected.
Well, we know you offer a great variety of services, fire, smoke, mold, floods, all across western North Carolina. How does someone know when they need your services?
That's a loaded question. So I appreciate you asking. There's a lot of reasons why individuals or companies would need our services. So, if you see any signs of moisture or even an odor, any change at all, call us. We're happy to guide them through whatever process, whether we do it or not. We're happy to help people, and we always encourage that you call and see what we can do to help.
One of the things that you're great with is really handling the insurance process for people and walking them through that, because that can be kind of a confusing thing, especially as somebody's, when destruction hits a business or a home, there's a lot going through your mind. You're not necessarily making sometimes the best decisions. You really help with the insurance with people and how people can navigate that. Is that right? And
we do, and I like that when we can do that, because it kind of sets the homeowner or business owner a little bit more at ease, because they've got not only the insurance company but the restoration company on their side, helping them out through a trying process, because who wants to have water damage, fire, or any of those issues? And so what I would recommend though is be prepared for that. Know your agent, know your policy number, know your deductible. That type of thing is good to know up front.
You have a great new location as well, just off Airport Road. You're able to serve so many people. Talk about this great location.
Oh, I love it, yes. And as soon as we've done that, the phones just have been ringing off the wall. And so it's great. We are servicing more and most of western North Carolina. So it's been phenomenal, to say the least.
Congratulations on that location. You can learn more at rainbowintl.com/Asheville. Write this number down, 333-6996, 333-6996. They handle all sorts of things and making sure you're ready to go. So thank you so much for being with us today, Mary.
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you so much for being with us here today on Spotlight Carolina. Until next time, take care.